Hello, my name is Kim of Love at Home, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn your pans from this to this. For hack number 1, I'm going to use 1 cup of cleaning vinegar and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Turn on your stove and add your cup of vinegar. Cover your pan and wait for this to boil. Once the vinegar is boiling, turn off the heat. And make sure that the cover is still there so that all the vinegar would still evaporate within the pan. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can add at least 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Since the pan is still pretty hot, I'm going to use some gloves. And I'm just going to scrub it all. So I've been trying to remove this stain with soap and water for months and it hasn't really worked for me. But now that I used vinegar and baking soda, it's a lot easier for me to remove the burnt stains. For more abrasion, I added a little bit more of baking soda and a few pumps of this dishwashing soap. For hack number 2, I'm going to use hot water, baking soda, and magic eraser. Since we're going to be dealing with hot water, I just decided to use gloves again. So what we're going to do here is just to sprinkle some baking soda all over the pan. Add a bit of hot water to turn it into a paste. And just start scrubbing. You may want to do this 2 or 3 times and then you give it a rinse and then you may wash it with soap and water afterwards. After that, you can continue cleaning it with soap and water. For hack number 3, I'm going to use 1/4 cup of baking soda and a couple of drops of dishwashing soap. You're going to put your baking soda on your pan and a few drops of dishwashing soap, and then you're going to add water. Make sure it's almost full. I've put the pan on the stove and you turn on the heat. as the mixture is increasing its temperature, I'm just going to mix this with a spoon. I'm going to cover the mixture with a lid as I wait for it to boil. Turn off the heat, put the lid back on, and just let it sit for about 10 minutes. So you can use a toothbrush to lightly brush the edges. You may also want to use a wooden spoon to kind of scrape the burn stains at the bottom of the pan. However, usually this mixture would work on most burn stains, but this one is the most stubborn stain that I've ever encountered, so I'm just going to get rid of this mixture and go for the big guns, which is Barkeeper's Friend. I added Barkeeper's Friend to this pan because it clearly has very stubborn stains, so I hope this will be able to work out. So what I did here was I added just enough water to turn the Barkeeper's Friend into a pasty consistency, and I just let it sit on the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes before I started scrubbing it. And it actually got a lot of the burn stains removed, if not all. So with hack number 3, with boiling the dishwashing soap and the baking soda, I couldn't say it was a fail, but I gotta be honest here that probably the burn stains on this specific pan was just too rough for it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you have other hacks on how to remove the pan stains, please let me know in the comment section down below, and also subscribe to my channel so you will be informed that I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!